No idea. Laying score. The Bladerunners. So I know idea. Tassi. And later why the Bladerunners. Now, two shots at the top, one outside Tassi, about Bladerunners, but no idea. Certainly, I am Bladerunners in the Lua, no idea, it's Tassi.
Let me take a selfie.
Baby!
Thomas. So what you want to Bladerunners in the 2 wide, no idea, Tassi, Talon, Margarita, the Papa Solo Maid. So I have some premium on Tattoo Mixed Division. I tell our Bladerunners a far, no idea, Tassi. So Soul Boy, the Bladerunners, the Bladerunners, no idea, so Bladerunners 7, no idea 3. Tayo tumulana vai tavale mwana lefa bomole ndo vepo etatu taloma Ahora sí, no idea. They scored Bladerunners. No idea if Bladerunners feature. Manulung saya ulua. Now Maya Tattoo Sanya Shapini Manda Tattoo Ayo Mama Roman Bladerunners feature Tattoo I have no idea the car.
Tato umma Pagkinaon Soso Mike Tono Tato Tumatong Tono Pagmuli and whip! And whip! Tato Pagmuli Soso Mike Tono Tato Tumatong Tono Pagmuli. Ole umoina le tumaitai taalo tato malisi lua Facebook malfitu lakapipai o mawale tai lua ole stay aloof.
Kisi kau yang dari price kaya audiat.
Who Mawale Aaron Brothers, by the Marist family. Tene taalo le tato final. Ua maua le tamaita yo heiso mai le Bladerunners. Ole tamata alo tato final malisi dua Facebook malfitu la papipai ua maua le Darren Alfield.
One round? Yeah. 1 round! 1, 2, 3!
Frank Akui. Alamat tulang suafa mai suman mai faman mole numero tasi Frank Akui. Frank Akui osi ilata olangi. Numero 5, Spatin. Numero 1, Espielu. Bala numero 7, Etiawati. Numero 5, Vai Sful Tasio Heiso, Sful Malua Elijah. Sful Marfa, Suititi, Sful Malima Pisila, Sful Maleono, Leano. Sful Malefitu, Sful Maleiva, Lesungaya Satia, Maleuso Ya Mike. Ia ma ole siang pinila le al tato tak misanga malisi dua festival malfitu laka pipai ua tulai mai ai Bladerunners.
After Matthew, Tatono Balas Kamatalanga wa Umilaso. I'll be very brief. It's been a long day. But SDA would just like to make a couple of presentations. First of all, we have a visiting referee from New Zealand. On behalf of SDA, we would like to say thank you very much, Joe, for coming down to referee and update our referees. So on behalf of SDA, I'd like to invite our secretary, Benja, please, if you can present a special thank you to Joe. Last but not the least, everyone's got a medal today, but SDA, actually the president would like to make a presentation to some very special people who put in the hard work this week. They won't be getting any medals, but without them, this tournament won't be possible. Thank you, Marist Saints. Thank you, boys, for all the hard efforts. Thank you. I'd like to acknowledge the president of the Marist Samoa here, Jofai Maron, also very honored to have Asiata here, president of Samoa Rugby League. But I'd like to invite the president now for Marist Saints, Touch Rugby Club from the mud. I was going to get you a cover, so this time for the boys. Thank you again for a great tournament.
This time I'd like to pass to Joe to say some few words. Please, Joe.
Yeah, thank you. Just on behalf of the New Zealand Touch Association, I just want to say that it's been an honour to be here. So just thank you very much to the Samoan Touch Association for making me feel welcome. Thank you very much to all the touch community, all the players as well, for just making me feel welcome. I feel very blessed to be here and it's such an honour. So thank you, Malo.
Yeah, on behalf of the Marist and Joseph Sports Club and all the executive committee and organizing committee, I'd like to convey our big mahalo and congratulations. It's been an awesome and fantastic 2 days of touch tournament. And without the effort of so many people like the president and the executive and officials of the Samoa Touch Association, Joe from New Zealand as one of our guest referee, and all the teams and the clubs, wouldn't be having a successful tournament. Also, I'd like to acknowledge the media sector, Talamua here, and all our media reps from Australia. They are the ones that are promoting this tournament. You know, it's the first ever Marist International Sports Week, culminating of 5 sports, first time in history of the Marist Sevens. And now this year we have the touch, the rugby league, the boxing, the netball, and of course the sevens. But we can see today with the atmosphere here at Tona Maslo and the way the touch tournament has been run, very professional, and also our sponsors and all our partners who have been behind the scenes in giving us lots of things, you know, in supporting and sponsoring this tournament. And Joe, tēnā koutou katoa. Thank you very much for making yourself available to come here and be part of this milestone for in the history of Marist and Joseph Sports Club, and also, you know, in collaboration with Samoa Touch Association. We have an appreciation plaque here for you. So President will present it to you, and Brandon Marist and Joseph Sports Club cap. All the best. God bless everyone. God bless you all. We have a Sunday tournament coming up on Friday and on Saturday. And we have a draft here. Very cheap price, only $2. Yeah, so